Outside? You wanna go outside? You wanna go outside? Do you wanna go follow Chevy? Huh? Where you going? Where you going, little guy? Ooh, some toys? Yeah. Look what you got. Look what you got. What was that? Lots of fun things, huh? Chevy, why are you slobbering? Oh, they're going to have so much fun playing. Look at this guy. He loves to play with toys. He loves to crash into everything, too. My goodness. Crashes.